You're welcome to Fxpg Global Limited. And I must start by saying congratulations to you for taking that decision to build career in Forex trading. And I will be taking you on this section, which I titled, Starting Your Forex Journey with Fxpg. Fxpg simply means Fxpg Global. And after this section, you will understand the importance of the decision you have taken right now to master how to trade Forex professionally, just like banks. And I'll be taking you this section. My name is Godwin Emmanuel. I am the MD CEO of Fxpg Global Limited. And I have years of proven experience in this industry. And I've trained and mentored over 3,000 persons and more is still counting. So I want to say congratulations as you will be joining the next batch that will be training. Before you know what, within just 2 to 3 months from now, you look back and say, you never knew that Forex trading will be this lucrative, will be this rewarding, will be this interesting. So thank you, you are welcome. Let's go straight up. About the company, Fxpg Global is an educational platform which specializes in Forex trading, crypto trading. We also trade stocks, commodities, metals, you can name them, bonds, indices. And Fxpg Global is the fastest growing and most standardized Forex Trading Academy in Africa. And I can beat my heart and my chest to fracture. Why? Because this is what we do. Then also Fxpg Global Limited is duly registered with Corporate Affairs Commission, and also will have our money laundering certificate from ESCC. And that is to tell you that we are legal, we are operating legally. Nigerian government know that we are here. The brain behind this company is my humble self, Mr. Godwin Emmanuel, and my colleague, Mr. Prosper Okonkwo, who is the training coordinator, while I am the MD CEO of Fxpg Global Limited. We also will have fleet of instructors who are also profitable in this industry. And combined experience will have over 20 years combined experience trading the financial markets with proven results of expertise. Our mission is to offer world-class Forex trading, crypto trading, stock trading, educational services for the purpose of improving the financial life of all our partners. And we have done this because a lot of persons have also become millionaires in this platform. Little story about myself. My journey began the very day I met a friend who introduced me into Forex trading. Far back then, I was working with a company, Emaco Petroleum, an NNPC affiliate company, where I was working as a filling station manager. As a young graduate who came out with first class, I was managing the company for them. Now, I have my OND in computer science, my BSc in geography, my HSC level 1, level 2, level 3, my Usher and Nebach. And I've worked for 11 miserable years without anything to write home about. But God bless that day that I was there in that filling station, and a friend of mine, an old schoolmate of mine, whom we have, our ways had parted for the past 13, 14 years, came into the station to come and buy fuel. And that was how we ran into each other. And he was like, Emmanuel, what are you doing here? And I said, I am the manager of this filling station, expecting a congratulation. He looked at me and just nodded this, just waved his head, and he said, Emmanuel, I think you need help. And I was surprised because nobody on earth would tell me that Kevin would be this rich. Kevin used to be a poor boy those days in school. I came from a poor family, but Kevin came from a wretched family. So those days in school, in University of Maiduguri, Kevin was so much less privileged that we are the one helping him to scale through. Kevin was not academically sound, and he also came from a wretched family. And sometimes we kept asking ourselves questions, Why wouldn't he just go and learn something than coming here to school to come and waste his time? Unknown to us that it's not the amount of academical intelligence you are that will take you to that place you desire tomorrow, but how financial intelligent you are. Then Kevin was so much engrossed with businesses, while we were so much focused on education. Kevin, wind down to the year I met Kevin. Kevin came on Lexus 300 to come and buy fuel in that filling station. When we met, and Kevin said to me, Emmanuel, I think you need help. He gave me his card. He told me that he came to Abuja to come and open one of his branch here in Abuja. And I was shocked. Kevin, what are you into? He said, when we see, we'll talk about that. He gave me his card. And the following day, I went to see my friend. When I got to see my friend in the hotel where he was lodging, and we were discussing, Kevin was just telling me about the good life he was living. He told me about the houses he has bought. He's married with 2 bouncing children, and Kevin was doing very, very well for himself. And I was so curious because I wanted to know what Kevin was doing. In fact, what actually pissed me off was when he showed me the video and the pictures of where his wedding was done. His wedding was done in a yacht. What? I used to see yachts on television those days. And I was like, yachts? He said, yes. He said, he told me, say, Emmanuel, I have made money. And if I say I've made money, I have really made money. And that was what actually got me where I was like, Kevin, what are you doing to make all this money? Did you do ritual or something? Or are you Yahoo Yahoo or something? Kevin just smiled. He picked his phone and showed me. He said, even right now, as we're talking, I'm making money. I was shocked. And lo and behold, on the phone, I saw $1,028 as about 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock in the morning. Kevin had made over $1,000. Those days, my salary was $50,000 in a month. And in the morning, Kevin had made over $1,000. And I was shocked. I was like, is this 1,028 naira or something? He said, no, this is $1,028. Multiply by 152, what dollar was then. And I was shocked. I was like, Kevin, you mean you make money in dollars? He said, yes. He said, Emmanuel, let me show you how I'm making the money. He tapped something on the screen and I saw a graph going up and coming down. I said, what is this? He said, this is Forex. I said, what is Forex? He said, Forex is foreign exchange. I said, what is foreign exchange? And it was like, do you know bread exchange? I said, yes. He said, it is the same thing, but I'm doing digital bread exchange. And that was what transformed my life. When I heard that, I said, Kevin, you can do that. He said, yes. I said, good. If you can do that, then personally, I can also do that. And that was how Kevin now opened his jaw and he gave me 150,000 for transport fare back to the filling station where I was working. And I picked that 150K, and that was like my 3-month salary because my salary then was 50,000 naira. And I picked that money. When I got back home, I couldn't sleep at night. The following day, I called him and said, Kevin, I am ready. Please, I want to learn how to trade Forex. And that was the journey that I started years back that transformed my life. As I speak to you, I have 3 companies just within 6 years. And also I have 3 companies and 1 NGO. As I speak to you right now, Forex transformed my life, and the same Forex has transformed the life of my family. Because that same Kevin helped me and took me to South Africa, where I learned how to trade Forex professionally. And as I speak to you, I've trained and mentored over 3,000 persons. And that passion, because someone helped me, and that is why I'm ready to help a good number of persons who are ready to master how to trade Forex professionally. And that is why I say this. Wealth is created by having the right mentality, having the right skill, and taking advantage of every opportunity that comes our way every single day. Every day is a new day. Today, now you have the opportunity under the sound of my voice that will transform your life. But then, nobody will force you to take decision today to master this art of trading professionally, because a lot of persons who want to make money so quick without passing through process will not learn how to trade Forex professionally. They will end up gambling with their money. Forex is worth learning, I tell you. In no distant time from now, you look back and you say, thank God I started trading Forex. And Forex transformed my life, made me a millionaire. And from me, other person in my family has also attained that level of being a millionaire. So, and that is why I'm doing this. I have the passion to train and mentor good number of persons who really want to master how to trade Forex professionally. So you are welcome once more. Let's go there. Then another thing I want to ask you now is this. Have you heard the word financial market? Do you know what it's all about? Now, are you conversant with these words? Are you conversant with stock exchange market? Are you conversant with forex market? Are you conversant with commodity market? Are you are you conversant with cryptocurrency market? All those are aspects of financial market. They are all aspects of financial market. And I must tell you that this financial market is a marketplace where buyers and sellers participate in trade. That means they buy and sell assets. They buy and sell assets for profit-making purposes. Simply put, I can say it's a platform that facilitates, that brings buyers and sellers of instruments and securities together. And this instrument could be, and security could be shares, it could be bonds, it could be commodities, it could be forex, it could be derivatives, it could be indices, it could be cryptocurrency, it could be anything. These things are all instruments traded in financial market. And I must also let you understand that this financial asset that are being traded in the financial market, like stock market has to do with buying and selling of shares. Now, those days, our parents used to buy shares from banks. My parents bought shares those days from UBA. All right. So now, if you have share with the company, simply means you are owing a particular percentage of the company. Presently, some persons are owing big shares in company, and that is what makes them somehow the owner of those companies. For instance, Dangote. Dangote is not the sole owner of Dangote. Dangote himself, group of companies, is own only 51% of the shares in Dangote. And so these shares can also be traded in financial markets. So, and I must tell you, when we talk about stock market is a marketplace where you buy and share and sell company shares once they are listed on the platform, especially during their after their initial public offering stage. All right. Another thing I want to talk about here is bond market. We also participate in bond market. Bond market allow companies and government to raise funds for the purpose of a project, for a particular project. So it allows them to raise funds for project. Investors can buy bonds from a company after which later they will return the bonds that they bought from a company with agreed interest. This can also be referred to, for instance, company debenture. As my company is now, I may decide to collect money from government and later with the hope of paying back. Then once and also with a particular accrued interest that I will pay, we have to agree on the interest that I will pay for that particular money that I will get from them. So once I get that money, the term will be 5 years or 10 years or 15 years. Then after that, I will return the money back with that particular interest. That is bond market. And that thing I want to talk about here is commodity market. Commodity market is marketplace where you can buy and sell natural resources like corn, like oil, like meat, like gold. Like today, I've traded gold. I've not touched gold, but I've traded gold. That is participating in the commodity market. Right, and also the same way during the lockdown, I made over 4.5 million naira within just few hours. That was when oil price crashed to negative 10 cents because I'm a forex trader. So derivative market have to do with you selling a particular contract that its value is based on underlying assets. For instance, the value of petrol or fuel lies on the underlying asset of crude oil. All right. So if the value of crude oil is high, of course, you know that of petrol also will be high. So we have derivative market. Then also another one again is cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrency market is a marketplace where you can buy and sell digital assets like Bitcoins, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripples, name them. We have over 23,000 cryptocurrencies in circulation. So this simply means that this market, this crypto market, is not being backed by central government. It's not being regulated, and that is what makes it decentralized. So all these things I'm talking about are instruments that are traded in financial market. They are all instruments that are traded in financial market. So we trade forex, which is currency market. Then we'll have stock, which is shares. We'll have bonds. Then we'll have commodity market. We'll have derivative market. We'll have cryptocurrency. And all these are traded in forex market. So on this chart and graph, which you can use your phone to trade, you can use your laptop to trade. You can use your phone and sit at the comfort of your home to make this money. All right. These things are being traded in this industry. So all these financial instruments, they are all traded in forex market with deep, in-depth understanding of the fundamental and technical analysis. So you must understand what the market is saying fundamentally and also technically. And that is what we do here. So let's talk a little about forex market. We'll talk about forex market. What are we referring to? A forex market is a marketplace that allows participants, such as banks, individuals, to buy and sell currencies for profit making or hedging purposes. For example, a bready change man is also a forex trader. But we'll have what we call on-the-counter forex trader and off-the-counter forex trader. Now, on-the-counter forex trader are those ones whom you can give physically, exchange this money. As you are giving them naira, they are giving you dollar. As they are giving you dollar, you are giving them naira. So that is just it. Then also, we have the off-the-counter people like us, where we trade this market digitally, using our laptop, using our phones to trade and make money from this industry. So a foreign exchange market is a marketplace. It's actually the biggest financial market in the whole world. And it's made up of banks. Your bank, the bank you are using presently, is also into forex trading. My bank is into forex trading. All the commercial banks are into forex trading. Central banks are into forex trading. Investment company, investment management firms, where you do investment, hedge funds, they're into forex trading. Forex retail brokers, they're also into forex trading, and also private investors. Cast your mind back to 2012 when we have the global financial crisis in the world. That was the time that Warren Buffett lost $2 billion in just one single day. Warren Buffett also is into forex trading. A lot of people that we celebrate, Dangote is into forex. Most of those persons that we celebrate, they are into forex actively or passively. Without forex trading, there is no economy. And that is why, if you must master how to trade forex, you must master, know that it's a career that you have to build with those who have results for what they're doing. Someone that is poor cannot tell you, make you rich. You need someone that has gone through that hurdles. You need someone that passed through that process, that mastered how to do this, to put you through on how this thing really works. Then we'll talk about how big is this financial industry we're talking about. Now, total market capitalization is about 3.2 quadrillion. 3.2 quadrillion. That is the total market capitalization. And that is to tell you how big it is. Where UK contribute about 40%, US 15%, Singapore 8%, Hong Kong 7%, Japan 6%, then other countries then 24%. And that is to tell you how big this industry is. That will tell you how big it is. Then every single day we'll have daily turnover about $7.3 trillion. Daily turnover of $7.3 trillion. We're talking about market capitalization. Generally, this market worth about $3.2 quadrillion. But every single day we'll have about $7.3 trillion every single day. So if you have the right skill, then you can as well go there and make money every single day. Like today, my students have made good amount of money today. And I keep telling people, it's not about the education, it's about the skill. Take everything I have from me, leave me alive, I will still be rich. There is nothing anyone can do about it. There is no amount of witches or wizard that can stop me. Why? Because I have the skill. I have what it takes to create any amount I want. So combine all the stock exchange market together, everything together, can be compared to forex market. And once you treat forex, you can also treat stock professionally. That is to let us to understand. So in a nutshell, most market participants are central banks, companies, individuals, brokers, commercial bank, institutional investors. All right, everybody here participates in the industry, and that is why this industry is that huge. All right. Then another thing I'm going to talk about here is this question: is forex trading profitable? A lot of persons have been scammed in the name of forex trading. A lot of persons are still being scammed till tomorrow in the name of forex trading. And that is why I came up with this. 2020, I was sent an assassin simply because I do go on air to tell people, stop investing your money stupidly with people that you don't know. Stop being deceived that you do copy trading. Stop being deceived by brokers that you are going to make money in forex by copying signals. Stop. And you look as if I am a threat to some person's businesses where I'm staying around. So I decided to go down because Bible said that wisdom is profitable to direct. So what I kept telling us, forex is profitable because the person talking to you right now is self-made millionaire through forex trading. And so many persons have also gained this skill, have achieved this particular skill, trading forex, and they are millionaires. Just June 12th this year, we celebrated 10 of our students who became millionaire from January to June. And the same phase, we have this badge also, whom we know that in less than 6 months from now, they will also be celebrated. I don't know if you'll be among the badge that will also be celebrated. And this is what we do. Training people who are nobody to become somebody. Training those who don't have skill to have skill that will pay them forever in their life. Then let's listen to this person who is also one of the millionaires that was celebrated.
Everyone, good afternoon, Fxpg student. Good afternoon, my forex teacher. Good afternoon, Mr. Godwin Emmanuel. Greetings to you, everyone. Now, I want to thank Mr. Godwin Emmanuel, who is the CEO of Fxpg Global, which is at Oyo State House, Abuja. He imparted forex into my life. He taught me forex from the scratch. Before 2020, I never knew what it takes to be a forex trader. I always see graph and chart move. I say, what is all this? But not until a friend told me, guy, what are you doing? I said, nothing for now. You can actually learn forex. What is forex? So I began my research until I stumbled into Facebook and met a young man, Wisdom, who introduced me into FX Premium Global. And there I went. I registered for my course, did my basic, did my advanced class and my mentorship. And I had to buckle up because I did not make the basic and advanced class. Mr. Emmanuel helped me during the mentorship. I followed him back to back. And that was when my trading started changing. I saw progress gradually. And believe me, I have made money from forex. If anybody tells you that forex is a game that you're going to lose, no, those people, they might have gone to learn from the wrong hands or fall into the hands of scam. Forex is the easiest way you can make your salary within days or weeks, depending on the equity or the capital that are you willing to invest in it. So I would like to beg for every youth, everyone that is about to retire from their job, you should learn forex. In this Nigeria, this present dispensation, one job is not enough. Multiple stream of income. Look at those the richest men in the world, like Elon Musk, Dangote. Those people, they have multiple streams of income. Most of them, they invest their shares in forex. And you now, you have an advantage. You have to learn forex because one day when you're very good, a bank might call you to come and trade for the financial institution and you make it big. That is what I have to say for now. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
So let's listen to the another person. Let's listen to Mr. Femi. Mr. Femi is in Lagos.
Hello, good afternoon, Fxpreneur students. My name is Femi, also known as Successful Femi. I'm in the comfort of my house and I trade. I'm a trader. I am a product of Fxpreneur under the mentorship of Mr. Godwin Emmanuel. I want to appreciate him for all he has done for us. Every morning he does analysis for somebody to wake up 5:30 because of us analyzing the markets. And I used to know all those days when I was trekking all the way coming all the way down from Orozo. I'll be begging for money. I've worked for 14 years, but I decided to say, I'm not working for anybody again. Well, it looks tough and it looks difficult. But today, my trading has improved because of early money analysis. You know, they said many are called, few are choosing. A lot of us are.
Let's look at another person. Mr.
Hello,
Simon.
good morning. My name is Simon Adebola, an FSPG student. FSPG means Fxpreneur Global FOREX Academy, located here in Abuja, or your house precisely on the second floor. I joined this academy 2 years ago, precisely during the lockdown. And voila, I've been looking for where to learn how to trade the forex market. As soon as I joined the academy, I was promised making $100 in a day. 1 year passed, I wasn't making even $10 in a day. But lo and behold, here I am today, making a minimum of $100 on a daily basis. It's 10:28 a.m. already, and I've made $107 already. Yesterday, Monday, I made over $170. On Friday, I made $207. What can be better than trading the forex market? Guy says forex is a scam, forex is difficult, forex is hard. I think it's only hard if you have not found an academy like FSPG. Please, I'm using this video to encourage each and every one of you out there. Locate FSPG inside or your house, second floor in Central Business District here in Abuja. Learn how to trade the market. The forex market is sweet if you know how to trade it. Market is made of two people, those who come to lose their money and those who come to add to their money. So you can't add to your money if you don't learn how to trade the market. Learn to trade the forex market with FSPG Global, and you'll be glad you did. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you.
Okay, now this is little we can take. We have over 300 testimonies of students who are already making money every single day, deploying the skill they've learned from Fxpreneur Global. So let's go on. Now, despite all the amazing opportunities in financial markets, do you know that over 90% of persons who are involved in this particular industry lose their money simply because their money is being taken away from them either by brokers or by fake investment platforms because they don't know how these things work. And I must also say that there's dirty secret in this business. As a person, all I did was to deploy my time in studying this thing so that I can give value to those who really want to master how to trade forex professionally. So I must tell you this now, that all the brokers that we are looking at, out of 100% of brokers you are seeing, not up to 5% of them are genuine. I'll say it again. Out of 100% of brokers who are looking, out of 100 brokers, not up to 5% are genuine. Like in Nigeria now, presently we have over 78 brokers. Out of 78 brokers that we have in Nigeria, only 4 of them are regulated. That is to say, 78 of them, 74 of them are not regulated. Only 4 out of 78 are regulated. Does that make sense? How can it be that the same persons who are making money when you are losing are the same persons who are telling you to come for training and seminars? The same people are the one that cloud the Facebook platform or portals where people every day they tell you come and copy signals, they tell you come and do this, come and copy traders, come and do that, come and do this, and they will tell you to not to even think of learning how to trade, that you can just sit down and let your money work for you. If trading is that easy, then everybody will be that millionaire. So I use this medium to tell us that stop enriching brokers. Stop staking your money. Stop gambling with your money. If you must master how to trade, if you really want to build career in this trading industry, you must learn how to trade right. You must learn how to trade like brokers. You must learn how to trade like financial markets. You must understand how to make money from this industry, trading like all those big hedge fund companies. And that is why I am using this method to tell you that every brokerage firm are two types. Brokers are supposed to serve as an intermediary between us and the international market. Now, we are supposed to open an account with a broker. When we execute a trade, they will send our trade direct to the intermarket. But now, what is happening now is this. These brokers are of two types. We'll have the A book broker and the B book broker. Then we'll have what we call the hybrid. Hybrid are those who also operate with both A book model and B book model. Now, this A book model, what they do is this. Those one, they are the genuine broker. We'll call them STP, straight to process. Though B book brokers are not claiming to be STP. Now those A book brokers, what they do is, as you open an account with them, they are always being regulated by FCA, Financial Conduct Authority. Now, these people, once you open an account with them, they are always strict with their verification processes. They will ensure that you have valid ID card. They will ensure that even if you have NIN slip, you must go to court to get affidavit to swear that that slip is valid and it is yours. And they must ensure that you have everything, that all the due diligence has been done. So it is not easy open an account with them. And these people, when you open an account with them, even if you make $1 million trading, you are going to withdraw your money without any challenges. Why? Because they are not the one paying you. Who are the people paying you? The international market are the one paying you. They only serve as intermediary between you and the international market. So any amount of money you make is not their problem. In fact, they pray for you to last long in the industry, because the more you trade, the more commission they make from you. But the big book brokers, are the majority brokers. Major of them are the many of them that will have here in Nigeria. And what these guys do is they make money when you lose. So what they do is they tell you, come for free seminar, come for free teaching, come. You don't need to learn how to trade. Don't worry, just come and copy us. And all they care about is open account, fund your account. Even if you upload receipts that you get from Akara Junction, or you get from Suya Man, paper that you get from them, you upload it there, they will approve your account, because they are not being regulated. These people are what we call the white label brokers. They are not being regulated. And most of the brokers you see in Nigeria are cloned. But Nigerians don't know why we are losing money in this industry. And we're saying everything every time that is the international market that is costing our losses, without knowing that these big book brokers are the devil behind the scene that are taking your money from you. And they make sure that they manipulate your charts. They make sure they manipulate for the back end, because they have what we call the market maker playbook that enable them to know everything about you. They study you, they write a report about you, and they ensure that you lose your money. And once you lose your money, they are getting their pocket is getting fatter. And they still use that same money to keep on throwing adverts every single day. Now, if you see a broker that is throwing advert every day, every day, every day, every day, every day, you're going to ask yourself question. Now, it costs a lot for those adverts. You can imagine brokers paying celebrities, just engaging virtually all the celebrities. I will not mention any broker. All the celebrities paying them millions and millions and millions of naira because they want to kind of get into you, and they'll tell you you don't need to learn how to trade. Just click and just copy traders. Don't do this, don't do that. Now go online and find out if people who are doing that are actually making money out of it. Word is enough for a wise. If you don't want to go into forex trading by mastering how to trade, please use your money and do something better. Or better still, go to orphanage homes or give your money to charity. Let's know that you are giving your money to people that will appreciate it, other than giving your money to those who use that money to oppress the right people. Please, I say it again. Those BB brokers, theirs is to ensure you lose. I think the secret has been revealed. Is for you to make use of this information. So these people, like I said, that they make money, you are being robbed because they make money whenever you are losing. They make money whenever you are losing. And most of them are scammers. They are scammers. And also another way again that you are being robbed in this industry is some person promise you that you are going to get 3 times of your money in 30 minutes, in 1 hour, in 2 hours. It doesn't work that way. All those get rich quick scheme forex scams. It doesn't work that way. Forex market doesn't work that way. I have a friend who trades for banks. He's going for only 4%. In a month, he's been paid 10 million every single month. A small boy of 28-year-old. Only 4% is what bank requires for him to make. And this bank is a bank in Nigeria. We don't like to mention name of any bank here. And that, my friend, trades for them, handle accounts for them. And that is to tell you that forex trading, if you know how to do it right, you can build a lifetime career trading this industry. So please, there is no short way to success in forex trading. It takes at least 10,000 hours for you to master how to trade forex professionally. Most of us who have paid our price, it's left for you to pay your price. And the question here is this: what must I do to master the act of trading? If you must master the art of trading, then you have to join our academy. You must join our academy to learn how to trade like banks, to learn how to trade like hedge fund companies and big financial institutions through our training and lifetime mentorship. All right. So once you've done that, then you are on the pathway, your pathway to success in this industry. Then you can build career with us and become an Fxpg career trader. Now, most of our students, after learning how to trade forex, after they are consistent in their trade, after their emotional psychology is well built, now what we do is we introduce them to companies where they can begin to handle funds for them once they scale through their evaluation stages. Now, apart from trading for prop firm, there are other industries too that are investment industries too. Some of them are hedge fund industries too that people trade for. All right. So that is why I keep telling us it's not about how much do I have to start trading now. It's about the career that you're building. It's about the skill that you have right now. No, anyone that you see that is playing football in a professional team right now was once playing a local league. So for you to even start handling an account, big account, you must handle a small account of $150, $200, and build it to something that is worthwhile. Some of us build our accounts from $50 to over $30,000. All right. And I appreciate also my students, those who have also built their account and they have turned themselves into millionaire kid. Like I said, that was on 12th of June this year, we celebrated 10 persons who became millionaire, who turned themselves into millionaire huge. Then also the same way by the end of this year, also we'll do the same. Again, you that are listening to me, you are next in line. Why are we the best choice? We are best choice because we are credible. We are legally established organization that exists to train people who are interested in building career in forex trading, applying basic principle of price action and institutional trading strategies and methodology. So what we do basically is to teach you price action. This is not just everything we do here is price action. We teach you what institutions are watching, how they are watching, what they are watching, when you should get into trade, signatures that you need to see to get into trade, and all the stuffs. You become professional. Then another one again is that every of our training are supported by a knowledgeable team of experts who guide and support our students throughout their learning process. And you also be privileged to take advantage of our live trade streaming and get some hand-on experience. It is funny to know that most people who claim to be Forex guru don't even trade live. Some of them are still trading demo accounts. And that is why in this company, we do live trading sections on Tuesdays, Wednesday, and Thursday. We take a live trading section with all our students. They say how we are doing things practically. They learn what we are doing and do it also with us until when their hand is strong, they can sit down and do it on their own. Then you will have opportunity to build career with hedge fund companies, proprietary firms, funds companies. Then also you have also another one again, opportunity to become part of our trading community for life. And also you will have the privilege to network with legends in this company who are also successful in this venture. These are the opportunities. These are amazing opportunities. All right. So now, and that I want to talk here is that this training we're having 30 days forex training schedule. This is just to kickstart you. Forex trading is lifetime venture. But in the next 30 days, you have kickstarted you. That means already you have started your journey and you are making money every single day. It could be $10 you are making daily, 20, 30, 40. You start gradually. All right. So now, and once you are building career with us, it's a lifetime thing. You don't have to be in a hurry. But after these 30 days, you'll be seeing what issues are saying. And every single day you are certain of making money. All right. You can take your training with us, either online or in class. Now, if you are taking your training in class, then that means you have to be in Abuja for now. All right. And as we are working towards open our branch also in Uyo. So you have to be in Abuja to take our training. Now, if you are taking your training here in Abuja, then you have to come to our office. If you are taking our training in Uyo, you have to come to our office in Uyo. All right. But right now, we are in Abuja at the moment. Then another one again is this. You can take your training online webinar. All right. So we have what we call Fxpg TV, where all our training courses are all there. You can always log in and take your training at will. All right. So once you become part of us, you can take your training and you have 24/7 support every time, anytime that you need to have any challenge. You see, every of our students will have an instructor as well as a supervisor who is tied to each and every student, who also write report on the performance of the students, and we ensure our students become professionals. We give you attention because no two human beings are the same. Our level of understanding differs, and that is why we prioritize every of our students, and we ensure that we give you the best. So, benefits of being part of Fxpg community. You benefit. What another benefit we are going to get here is live trading. Also, you enjoy our daily market analysis. We also do weekly market analysis and forecast. All right. So you enjoy us. We do our live trading section. Also, you enjoy our daily market analysis, and also you enjoy our calls and levels. We send setups to the group to our community, and you see setups, you see people taking trades, making money for themselves. You have any challenge, you air it out. Somebody there will give you guide. If not, then you can contact us. Also, we'll guide you. A lot of things, a lot of benefits. So we are one family. So to become part of our family, of course, you need to enroll for our educational pack. We don't do part pack whereby persons will just take just one pack and tomorrow they come back for another pack, or next month they come and pay another money to get another pack. We don't do that. What we do is comprehensive. As you are paying, it's one-time payment. As you are paying, you are becoming part of the community for life. You are taking your training to cover this, your basic course, your intermediate course, your advanced course, and also you take your mentorship course where we teach you our institutional trading strategies. Then also you also take one-on-one trading section, live trading section with me, and also you'll have membership live trading sections, and also you enjoy institutional trading softwares. There are softwares that we use, which is market maker softwares that we use, that was bought at $5,000, and that same software will give to our student free of charge. Then also you enjoy our trading ebooks. We'll have ebooks, we'll have materials that you need to watch, we'll have videos and also that you need to watch, and also you have access, at least 1 year access to Fxpg Web TV. It's a customized membership dashboard that we're going to give to you once you become part of us. And what I want to emphasize here is this: after the 1 year, there will be subscription of just $50. That is after 1 year, there will be subscription of just $50 for you to keep accessing the dashboard and keep taking some updated trainings also on the platform. Then also another one again, we do live weekly and daily analysis, and also you have access to live trade setup, calls and levels. Then also you have access to lifetime mentorship training and retraining. All right, even if you did not resubscribe, all right, if there's a general training, of course you take that general training, but for so long as you subscribe, you have access to our dashboard, and there are some things also you have access to that others who do not subscribe will not have the full pack access. That's after 1 year. Then another thing again I want to talk about here is Fxpg certificate. We'll give you a certificate that you have taken this training. So the question might be, how much does it really cost to become part of this training, to take part in this wonderful, amazing venture? Now, before now, we were collecting $500 before now, and I must tell you, I have trained some persons that collected $3,000 from. All right, VIP training, I don't go below $3,000 for VIP training. Then, and I must tell you that I take trainings personally myself, being the MD CEO. I take the mentorship training myself from the one to the end. So long as you are part of Fxpg, you must be good at what we are doing. So for now, we are giving out this at what? At $300. At $300, it is no more 500, it is now 300. 300 in the sense that we want to make sure nobody complains that he cannot afford $300. And if you have anything that you would like us to discuss, either on the price or wherever, you can shut me up. And if you are ready to get started, then you can book a section with me. I would like to have one-on-one section with you for at least 15 minutes through online Zoom. All right. Then after which, then you start your this thing immediately, your training immediately. So I would like you to also reach out to me if you have any question with this number 080 61 66 93 83. I repeat, 080 61 66 93 83. Now, if you are interested to get started, or you have any challenge, or there's something you want to talk to me about, please chat me up. Please, I would like you to chat me up. Also, that number also is in WhatsApp. So as you have gotten this particular video, please go through it again and again and again if you don't understand, so that you can take a concise decision. Now, this is the certificate that you get once you are done with your training. This is a sample of Fxpg certificate that has shown that you have completed your course. And then 10 years from now, you look back and say, thank God, I'm glad I started trading Forex. I am glad I started trading Forex. All right. So thank you very much for your attention. And please take decision now. Don't keep waiting. Time waits for nobody. Don't keep waiting. Don't procrastinate. Don't say tomorrow. Don't look for excuses. Do what you must do, because if you don't do what you must do today, then tomorrow you will not have that time to do it again. So thank you very much. I remain Godwin Emmanuel. See you.